Morning, guys.
Morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
I got cooked trying to flip $15. I'm gonna stop.
Why are you trying to flip $15?
Hey, I got it to like $40 though. And then I use a lot of losses. Like say you ain't getting that, but I'm gonna stop. Nah, but like trying to flip small accounts is like gambling.
Only if you don't have patience.
True.
Dallion, are you gonna have another Zoom about the EA? I've used EAs, plenty of them. I got it to take trades one time, and then it just never again took trades. I don't know why. Like one day,
You guys put all these settings on that overlap each other. So yeah, we'll do another call on the EA.
I don't know. I watched your original one, and I put the settings that way. It worked for like one day. Oh, and one thing that seems to happen too is that it seems like it only works one session at a time. Meaning, like if you put them all to true, it won't work. I heard somebody tell me that too. You know what I'm saying?
If you put them all to true, it will trade every session.
Yeah, I've heard somebody tell me that they have to like switch them manually, and because like if they put them to true, all the true, it won't work. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. No one's ever told me that. But yeah, we'll get that shit away. The main thing is a lot of you guys have overlapping settings, or y'all have these you don't have the right count size. It's always something technical. Excuse me. And that's the annoying part about MetaTrader. The next time the EA is going to be a lot simpler. In terms of how it needs to run.
When you say simpler, you mean less settings? Because I mean, I wanted to have the same settings as the algo, but
no, it's going to be a lot simpler in order to set up.
Oh, awesome. So the day. Hey, he's waiting for it to create structure first.
Mm-hmm.
Did you say you already did have a bot version of the Sigma?
Yeah, it's called Sigma EA.
No, I mean for trading, a bot for TradingView.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get the bot so like not driving, not all that. I don't have to worry about holding positions and whatnot.
Are we in for a sell here? I saw it.
This is the bot. Who is Dallion the Stallion?
Well, I guess
I was gonna say, you that desperate for money? The scammer like acts as another person. Yeah. These people like with these fake accounts, they don't even do a good job. Yeah, whatever. I wouldn't know, right?
Who is dallying the stat? No one answered the question.
It's probably somebody playing around.
Yo, that's funny though.
It's your little brother, bro. It's your junior.
Yeah. It's corny as fuck.
Damn, that's a tough.
I mean, has anyone seen gold shot right up?
Oh man. You guys see me pretty clearly, right?
Yeah, we see you clearly.
This webcam's no joke.
But I ain't gonna lie though. If it shit, if I ain't get wicked out, I probably got like 200 something.
Bring your stop so close. That high low the stuff don't work on NASDAQ. Or US 30 is too volatile. I tell you guys, I'm moving out here full time.
Yep, end of the year.
Yeah, I'm opening up a school here.
Oh, the flights over there hella expensive or nah?
They're hell for what? Why? For no reason. I don't know why they're so expensive. But my plan is to move out here and open up Money Moves Investments as a storefront and teach. What's expensive? The flights. Flights are hella expensive right now for no reason. So yeah, if you guys ever come to DR, I'll probably be staying in Calarete. That's where I want to be at. And if you ever see Money Moves Investments, Just walk in and make it okay. And we'll make that shit happen.
What currency they use over there?
Peso. Dominican peso.
So $1 gets you how many?
$1 is 50 pesos. 100 pesos is $2.
So what can you buy with an American dollar?
Anything.
Like, you know what I'm saying? Like what? Like the difference in money? Like you could buy like a sandwich. Like what can you get for $1?
All right, yeah, it depends. Like $1 is a great tip here. You know what I'm saying? like, bottles of water, 2 scoops of fucking ice cream. You know what I'm saying? Is $1. So it is like there's a bunch of stuff you can do with 100 pesos. Like the minimum that I see, like the average range is like 250 pesos for a particular item. So no cap going back in September.
Do they mess with crypto over there?
Yep. And well, I mean, they do in terms of they want to learn, but a lot of people don't have money to invest. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I want to teach it.
I guess I'm asking because because you say you want to live there, and I'm guessing you're using crypto in your trading account, right?
Mhm.
So I'm just trying to figure out how you would make that
Nothing
work.
changes. Nothing changes. I still deposit money into my crypto the same way. Yeah, same way. I also deposit into my broker the same way. I don't know the logistics on the other side because I don't have a Dominican bank account.
That's what I'm trying to figure out how you turn crypto into pesos or whatever, or maybe if they accept dollars or American US.
Yeah, they're very accepting of the US dollar here. So that's not really too much of an issue.
Do they have any American banks over there?
Not that I've seen. No. It's not like Puerto Rico, which is like an American.
US. Yeah.
It's Dominican Republic. So, stay tuned because I might be selling off a whole bunch of shit. You know what I mean? So,
What about them shoes though?
huh?
What about them shoes though? Those hundreds pairs you have.
That's what I'm saying. Might be selling off all that. I don't find
Kobe's,
them.
bro. Kobe's, you let me know. I'll cop those 100%.
Everyone wanted my Kobe's. I'm like, really? These are just the 8s. But apparently they're hard to find.
Kobe, bro.
I know.
He's my MJ.
Nah, it's not. He was mine for mentality. I never modeled my game after him. But I loved how he felt.
Hey, Kobe is a ball
Hey, don't
hog.
you have a game day? Isn't it Thursday?
Huh?
Don't you have a game day? Because it's Thursday. And you say you have a game Thursday or something?
I have a game today. Yeah.
Don't forget to send that link, bro. I'll be watching you.
Mm-hmm. Definitely similar.
Said Kobe's a ball hog.
He's a fucking machine, bro. Actually, he has more. He has a lot of assists. Actually, don't look at a lot of players. He's actually up there.
Yeah.
I know that. I know that.
He doesn't have players who he wanted to pass to. He can make a bucket.
Pretty much.
The main thing you got to look at is shooting percentage, though. That's you could be a ball hog if you're shooting 50+%, but you know.
Damn.
What time is it? No.
Probably wait 12 o'clock before the move really can happen.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be, it might be one of those like later session situations. It just hit that pre-market low and it bounced off pretty hard. I was gonna tell you guys to get in a lot earlier, but I wasn't sure what it was going to do due to the fact of Tesla being up 40 points and it still dropped pretty hard and it's wicking from the bottom. There's a lot of inconsistency going both ways. So I didn't want to get into a position without further confirmation. And like you can see Amazon, Apple, Google, Meta, Netflix, they're not even hitting a point right now. So what I would say is just low risk, because when I see that is when it gets very, very choppy, especially when one asset is carrying the movement. You get what I mean? So it might even take longer for NASDAQ to start moving. So what is it? It's 9:49.
It's been around like noonish that's been moving this whole week so far, like the past week too.
Yeah. So,
Begin that mid-morning.
yeah, man. Like even that sell signal, I didn't even tell you guys to get in because I didn't tell you guys to get in because it was hitting London's low.
It bought up all London.
This buy signal should be valid though. And I'm in the range, right? And I took the strict off of the range because what I'm starting to like back test the ranges. And if the range is over 100 points, I take the strict off. You know what I mean? Because by the time it hits this, it's going to lose momentum. Dallion, do you have algorithms for trading range days? Which algorithm is best suited for trading ranges? How should I answer that question, guys?
Don't you usually trade breakouts?
The money's in the breakouts.
I don't trade.
Trading. The chop trade is risking it more. You're not actually going for a smooth move.
Yeah, I don't
just
trade ranges.
The breakouts. Sorry.
I use range filters actually because we're a trend trader. So no breakout equals no trading. It doesn't have to be a breakout, it has to be a trend, a valid trend. Trading reversals within a range, too risky, not. And I think people that try to trade ranges are just forcing opportunities. But also understand I don't trade Forex. Like I don't trade Forex pairs. Forex pairs are what range. And that is why people, I'm assuming like such as yourself, like to trade ranges because you find more opportunities that way. For me, I trade indices that tend to trend really well. All my systems are trend-based systems, most of them, but they filter out ranges. You can see those yellow boxes, those are the range filters. Those create highs and lows. And if you were to back test those highs and lows throughout the range, you would see that you probably want to be profitable trading within them. So yes, I only trade the breakout plus the confluence of my algos because that gives the best win percentage and clearest signals. So hopefully that makes sense. Good. All right, after this call, I will have time. So let me put this to charge.
Hey, what time's your game at, by the way?
6 p.m. PST.
Okay.
Are you a starter? No, well, hey, it's a valid question.
Damn, I haven't heard anyone ask that in that before.
Hey, look at you.
That's not disrespected. Like a motherfucker now. My starter. Do you breathe?
Goddamn.
You could be Jamal Crawford off the bench. Hey, I don't know.
Not here. Not even him.
I see a buying scalp. I'm not taking it. I'm tempted.
That sounds like a dicing trade that you would take.
Yep.
Wow. Ever since I wiped out a $40.
We could have got in on this candle, but it was just filtering out because of point. But yes, the buy signal is valid. Buy stop at 12,486.3. TP1 is at 12,511.3. TP2 is at 12,536.3. TP3 is 86.3. Yep, I'll check it.
Yeah, I heard Vital Markets got shut down.
That for real?
Yeah, I heard, man, I don't even believe it.
Nope.
I mean, I haven't seen anyone post it on the wall, and I used to know a good amount of people that had it, so I wouldn't be surprised if that's true.
A lot of brokers are getting shut down. For not following regulation. Taking you as clients when they're not supposed to. And I tell you guys, link in the description, hero effect.
I mean, damn, so people losing money, they're not responsible to what happens to you because it's unregulated.
Yes,
Nope.
sir.
That's fucked up.
Good morning, Randy.
Good morning, fam.
Does anyone here use magic keys?
Yep.
Stallion does, don't you?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Now, can you set it up to where it does like take profits and partials automatically without like having to always click? Huh?
Next update.
No, okay, yeah, because I was trying to figure that out last.
That's the reason why it opens up multiple trades. So it does take partial. That's the point of the strategy. But it also ended up being profitable in terms of compounding an account. But yeah, on the next EA update, it will open up one trade and take partials off that each take profit.
Well, that wasn't my question. Was does magic keys do that automatically?
Oh, sorry.
Or do you have to click? Like there's some EAs that you can just attach it to your chart and it'll monitor the pair, and whatever pair you tell it to monitor, it will automatically open and close.
I think you got a partial TP here, bro.
Yeah, you got a partial TP there. Magic keys is just a keypad to make it easier for you to do it, so you don't have to right click and look for the thing. This is a command and control panel as well.
So it's really not an EA. It's just a control panel.
Yeah, it's just a little keyboard.
I'm trying to find. I know they make trade managers that work like EAs, where it'll like do whatever you define automatically.
Yeah, you can make a whole living with a 0.01. Like you don't even have to put like a.
That's actually a good idea. So you're saying you can't find one?
I know there's
Be one there.
I've seen, I just try, it's just that finding it is, I know I've come across, I've been looking in the MetaTrader MQL5. They got so many in there. It's so hard to comb through all the different EAs they got.
I'm gonna make it. Yep, I'll make it.
I mean, it's not that hard of a thing.
Actually, no, because how would that work? Because it has to have an entry signal. It has to have rules that it follows in order to know. So in order for it to be a trade manager and you leave it, you have to input, okay, at this price, take off partials, move to break even. That's the only way that will work.
In my experience, they have EAs like you just add it to like a separate chart, and then you just tell it which symbols you want it to monitor.
Mm-hmm.
So like if you have NAS and US30 running on two charts, like say you have your EA running on those two charts, and then you have the manager running on the third.
Sorry, TP1 has been hit, guys. Stop losses at break even.
Hey, I'm gonna take TP2 and that's it, man.
Brother. Sorry to interrupt.
And then on the third chart, you just have it running, and what it does is it monitors the other two. So if you open a trade, it'll notice that you opened it, and as soon as it sees that you opened it, then it'll apply the settings. So the entry, it monitors the trade and it waits until it sees an open trade. So that's where it gets its entry from, if that makes sense.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So as soon as it sees that trade open, then it says, okay, I'm going to apply these settings to this trade.
Okay, well, do this. Write out those list of rules and commands. I'll make it.
Well, it's kind of like what you already do right now. You know, you like with the partial, I'm just basically trying to mimic what you already kind of have already going, or you moves to break even after TP1,
Mhm.
then let the runners go.
Yeah. $25 points secured for the morning. Pero dime, ¿a quién tú eres? Who is Dallion the Stallion? Dead ass.
It's a bad bitch version of you, bro.
I heard that.
Dang.
Yeah, I actually went to Vitals market and it's gone.
It is some guy playing.
Hey, yo, so what y'all think about that being a 5-minute order block up top, and it looks like it came in and wicked into it?
Let's see.
And this thing gotta take 5 or 10 pips every time, bro.
Yeah, so
Mm-mm. Well, actually, I disappeared already. Could have mitigated that. Quite possibly.
almost 50% in. Yeah, mitigated it.
Yeah, it seems like TP1 has been where it likes to turn around.
Yeah.
Liquidity
And it's
grab,
been-
man.
Yep. Early sell. I call it. I like that one.
Say what?
I like that early sell.
No. Yeah, for sure. I was gonna get in, but I was waiting for the system. Should have. Hey, Bruno, what you think about making something like that?
What?
Like,
A price action algo?
yeah, you know what I'm saying? Because,
I did.
oh, okay, you did. Yeah, because I was waiting on it, but I don't know. Like, I wasn't too confident in it. Would have
What's
been
this?
up. Got in it.
I'm the head developer of Smart Money Concepts Indicator Company.
Okay. I fucks with it.
RTM Pro.
What's the name of it?
RTM Pro.
Is it out already?
Mm-hmm. So it's based on ICT teachings. So the order blocks aren't just basic, the previous candle break. You know what I'm saying? They're based on the ICT ideology, multi-time frame, fair value gaps, imbalance, and order blocks. You can see, oh shit.
Oh, yeah, that was a nice entry, too. I should have did that. Yeah.
You got equal high, equal lows, break of structure, everything goes in real time. Well, we're updating the actual market structure right now. So sell signal, I like the sell signal. We grabbed 25 points so far this morning. That was weird. Like,
if you look at the algo and you go back like throughout the day, it seems like TP1 is always seems like it just wants to reverse after that.
depends what type of range is in, yeah. That's why I trade the New York breakout, because it usually breaks it. There's momentum. The average is like 20, 25 points. So it always gets hit. Outside of New York session.
Yeah, that's what I've been seeing. Every now and then it'll go for a rain trend.
Yeah.
Have you ever tried trading like around 8 Eastern Standard?
No,
Seems to move pretty well that then sometimes too.
yeah, in pre-market. I'm Eastern, so that's 5 a.m. in the morning for me.
I know.
But once I get out here, and New York City is at 9, then yes.
See, that's that. I don't know, Dalian. It's starting to look like you a ball hawk, man. When you that rotator covers too much shooting.
Oh no, I just located this during martial arts. When I was young,
Actually, that's your left. That's not your right hand. That's your left.
I left. Yeah.
I'm assuming you're right-handed.
Mm-hmm. I'm actually not a ball hog because the main reason they brought me out here was to help teach these guys how to actually play basketball. And run plays and get people involved.
So you're the Chris Paul of the team.
This time around, yeah. They don't get fucked up. I'm still a bucket.
So it's Chris Paul when he wants to be. How tall are you?
6'1". What was I looking for? Is it a good time to buy and hold now because all these indexes melting? No, don't do that shit.
I don't think it's the date. Oh yeah, and I see it's crossing the 200. I mean, not that if anyone uses that.
Not just buying.
Like it's squeezing. It's like going closer and closer to the 200.
No, what I see is filling in these areas. I think it still has room to go up. They already done broke structure, minor structure at least. They already broke trend. Boom, did it once, came back. Range slightly back up, created a new high. Yeah, I think don't mark up charts usually, but yeah, we're right in that pocket. So I think buys are going to be where I would prefer to be at. We're still selling right now, so this is sell signal. Sell stop at 12429.1. TP1 is at 12404.1. TP2 is at 12379.1. TP3 is at 12329.1. Yeah, there doesn't seem to be a lot of volume today at this moment in time. So, you know, honestly, if you're going to take these trades, don't even risk too much. You're in profit. It's bouncing around the view up. Why? I was about to couple tech stocks. Oh, you mean stocks? I thought you meant like the NASDAQ, indice. I'm sorry. But yes, if you're gonna hold stocks, yes, now would be the good time to do it. But if you're gonna try to get into the Forex holding an indice, TP1 has been hit, 50 points for the morning. You guys made a little bit of bread. You're in more profit now.
I get close to $100. Well, I should just shut up. I need to just shut up, man.
All right. 41 points in profit. And congratulations, me and him. Oh, I don't have my music on. I'm sorry. I forgot to put the music on for you guys. I'm like, why is it so fucking quiet? And it's because I'm used to having the music. We hit TP1, your stops are at break even, right? And then this candle, 10 seconds to 9 seconds, so it closes. We got really, really close to TP2.
Man, I want Tuesday to happen, man. Beggars can't be choosers.
Because if the NASDAQ goes up, then the tech stocks also. If the tech stocks goes up, then NASDAQ goes up. It's the opposite. So yes. The index is controlled by the stocks that it contains.
Then 10, 20 pips and you good. See, 10 pips, you take it. 10 pips, take it. 20 pips, you take it.
All right, what time is it? 10:15. All right. So I gotta jump off. All right. Was a signal sent to the chat? It was great. So yeah, I gotta jump off. All right. Again, TP2 is at 12,379.1. All right, we already hit this morning for 50 points in total. TP3 is at 12,329.1, all the way down to yesterday's daily close. Okay. And I think we should be good for the morning after that. Any last questions before I jump out? Yep.
I have a question. With the bot, right? I guess what to look for with the bot. Like, I know as it's being fixed. Like what's the workarounds?
I mean, it's not a lot of workarounds. It's the shit is working. A lot of you guys just have messed up settings. So I have to I'm gonna try my best to deal with it throughout my phone. because it's hard to kind of get on a Zoom at this very moment. So like I have a lot of you guys have me. So if you're having issues, this is what I need you to do. I need you to take a screenshot of the whole MT5, send it to me, and take a screenshot of your settings, and then tell me what the issue is. And then I'll be able to better identify what the issue is. And then on the bottom of the MT5 program is a tab that says experts or journal. Click on experts and see what it says. Click on journal and see what it says when you're talking to the EA. Screenshot those and send it to me if there's any alerts. Because a lot of you guys it's as simple as you don't have the algo trading on, or you're trying to trade FTMO, but you got hero effects as your broker. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, that set profile is going to give you hero effects. So if you're trying to do FTMO trials, you got to change the broker to hero effects, and you have to change the symbol to US100.cash, or it's not going to read it. You have to have the symbol in the market watch, right? You guys,
we can't just use current.
You can use current as well. Yes, you definitely use current, but you still have to change the broker. You know what I mean? So some of you are over leveraging the account. You guys are just taking my settings and not adjusting them. Keep the settings in terms of the entry profile, but your money management is going to be different. Your sessions is going to be different. You know what I'm saying? I have sessions for New York on my time, on PST. You have to adjust it to where you're at. You know what I mean? So it's like y'all have to do that little bit of due diligence to make sure it's working for you on your. That's why I made the EAs customizable as it is. It's a little bit of a headache, but you know, for the ones that got it working, they got it working because they followed the directions. So yeah. Yeah. Send it directly to me. Any EA stuff, just send it directly to me.
Dallion the Stallion. Yeah, send it there.
I don't know who that is.
Hey, yo, bro, like, that's how you know you made it, man. That's how you know you made it, man.
I did. Word. All right, I gotta jump out. I gotta head to practice. But yeah, all right. So we made a little bit of money this morning, right? We get, you know, it's a little rangy, but you can see it trickling down. So
I'm going to hit TP1 again.
yeah, so you guys are already 50 points in profit for the morning. So which is a good thing. You know what I mean? And now you got 50 points to go if you want to continue trading, or you just wait until the next hour, and it will start probably going wild. All right. Love you guys to death. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right.
Good luck with your game.